Welcome! In front of me I have Zepp E watch, and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. And after you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can press and hold on the screen to open the watch face menu. Once you open the watch face menu, you can scroll through the list of watch faces by swiping left and right on the screen. Now, you can find the watch face you would like to use on your watch, and then tap on it to select it and apply it, like this. You can also customize some of the watch faces, so if you open the watch face menu, under some of the watch faces you will see the edit button, and you can tap on it, and here you can change the type of widgets basically by tapping on one and then swiping up and down to scroll through the list, like that. And once you're done, you can press the side button to apply the changes, like this. Okay, you can also open the watch face menu through settings, so you can press the side button to wake up the screen, then press it again to open the menu, scroll down, tap on the settings icon, and here you have the option called watch face settings, and you can tap on it to open the watch face menu. You can scroll through the watch face menu, find the watch face you like to use, and tap on it to select it, like this. And if your watch is paired with a phone, you can also change the watch face through the phone app. So let's move the watch to the side, bring the phone right here. Let's zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen of the phone, like this. Okay. And now we can open the Zepp application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, we can tap on Profile, tap on Zepp E watch to open the device page for it, and here we have the watch faces option, and you can tap on it, tap on Mine, and here you have the list of watch faces you can select from, find the watch face you would like to use, and tap on it to select it and apply it. And once you're done, you can close the application. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.